In this video, you're gonna shop my closet. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to everyone who's new here. My name is Ashley Park. This is Park Avenue and I have tons of fashion content for you to check out. If you love unboxings, outfit ideas, styling videos, lifestyle content, I've got something for you. Be sure to check out some of my other videos, and when you find something you like, make sure to subscribe and make sure you guys hit that notification bell. I upload multiple times a week and I don't want you to miss a thing. So you guys already know, if you watch my channel, that I am no stranger to a closet sale. Closet sales are just really great ways to declutter, stay organized, move things out of your wardrobe that no longer serve you, you're not wearing anymore, and someone else could find some better use for. Someone else is actually looking for these pieces. So to have a place where you can sell them and make a little extra money is fantastic. So I'm excited to be able to announce that this video is sponsored by Poshmark, and I am teaming up with them to share with you guys how you can make some extra money with Poshmark as well. So you guys know I'm going through like a massive clear out, like closet declutter, and I have been moving pieces out of my wardrobe that I am no longer wearing. So I'm actually going to put some pieces up on my Poshmark closet that you guys can shop as well. But you can shop tons of brands on Poshmark. You can find some of your favorite brands for like up to 70% off retail, which is amazing. And I know some of you would love to shop luxury pieces, but want to find them at more affordable prices. And you can do that on Poshmark as well. And one thing I think a lot of people don't know is that Poshmark actually offers complimentary authentication on purchases $500 or more. So you can comfortably shop luxury on Poshmark as well. So that's a great way to be able to afford the pieces that you guys have had your eye on. And you can definitely check out, I mean, like tons of sellers are on Poshmark, tons of brands and a lot of options, and we love options. So definitely check the description box. I'll have links to my Poshmark closet, and I also want to show you guys some of the pieces that are going to be up there. So let's get into the first look. So here's the first look I want to show you guys. I just put together something super simple, but this top is the piece that I'm going to be selling on my Poshmark closet. This is a Michael Kors top that I really love. Like, honestly, you guys, the only reason why I'm parting ways with it is because it just don't fit me the same. It's a little snug on the arm. It's a little tight across the chest, but it's super cute. And honestly, if I wanted to finagle it, I could just wear it how I'm showing you guys here today. Just slightly open up top and a couple of buttons and then open at the bottom. This is a great like vacation kind of a top. You can wear this over your swimsuit. You can tuck this into shorts and you can style it with jeans like I'm showing you guys here. So you can get a lot of wear out of this. Really cute. It looks super luxe. Very rich. I love this top so much. And it's a little bit on the sheer side, so it's very comfortable to wear and it feels good on the skin. Here's the next piece that you can find on my Poshmark closet, and it's this red Zara dress. If you guys have been OG watchers of my channel, then you probably remember this dress. I styled it up for some like holiday outfit ideas, things you can wear to parties, some really cute like occasion dresses. And this dress is still super on trend. I don't know if you guys know, but head to toe red, while very classic, is on trend right now. So you can definitely style this up. We have some special occasions coming up. The holidays are right around the corner. So you might want to consider getting your hands on this dress. It's fun, it's flirty, it has a really fun like frilly hemline. It's giving the drama in the sleeves, and you guys know that. That's what stuck out to me about this dress, which is why I picked it out. It has that V-neck, very flattering. Oh my gosh, I love this. It's kind of giving me like flapper type vibes. When you move and dance, it's a lot of fun to wear, and it's just a really great dress, and it's easy. These one-piece looks, you guys know I love like these really just easy ways to dress that look really polished and as if you put a lot of effort in, but you didn't really have to do that. This is a great dress for that. Next up, I have another dress that I want to show you guys, and this is a denim dress, another easy piece to style. This is so cute. I'm just showing you here with some clear heels. You could throw it on with sneakers. You can wear it with flip-flops. I mean, a denim dress you cannot go wrong with. And again, you can throw this on over a bathing suit. Let's say you have some vacations coming up somewhere tropical. You can throw this in your beach bag and call it a day. I love this. What I like about it is that it has the waist that you can adjust and make a little bit tighter if you want to snatch it in a little bit. You can actually adjust the arms as well. You can make those a little bit tighter and create kind of like a balloon sleeve. That's super pretty. It is on the shorter side, but I do love a baby doll dress. And I know so many of you do as well because we talk about it often. And this is that kind of a style. And we have that V-neck line again, so it's still very flattering. And it's also a very flirty dress, very fun. It has some good movement, and I like those tiers. It's just a really good dress all around. And denim, this is something you can throw and go. I like those kind of looks as well. You don't really have to think about it, but it's still super cute. So you'll be able to find this in my Poshmark closet as well. Next up, I have another dress to show you guys. And this one is definitely a stunner, a showstopper, and it's a sequin number. So again, we have those holidays right around the corner. If you're looking for something easy to wear, this is it. It looks very fun. It's very fun to wear. It's flirty again. And then of course you got that shine with the sequins. And sequins are another fashion statement that is super on trend right now. And again, it is a classic. It's something you can always wear, but it is definitely on trend. So if you're looking to, take part in the trends, but you don't want to spend too much, then of course you can check out Poshmark because that's a really easy way to get the look without spending a lot. Now here is the last look I want to show you guys today. And this is a knit set from Nasty Al. I love a knit set. You guys probably know that already too. I love cozy knit sets and I love rib knit sets. And I have acquired quite a few in my collection and I just don't have enough room for them all. And I have a funny feeling that I'm not going to stop acquiring them. So it was time for me to let some go. And this is one that I really do love. And I think that a lot of you would enjoy this as well. It has a really nice like open neckline, but all I did here was just pull down one sleeve so you can make it kind of like off the shoulder vibe. I love that because it's so flattering and it's also really easy to wear. It looks really effortless. And then you can wear this to lounge around the house and be super comfortable and nice and cozy and warm. It has the longer sleeves and it's nice and thick. This material is substantial, you guys. It's not going to show any like lumps and bumps. It's not see-through at all, and I love that about this. And then it has the matching pants, and they're kind of cropped on me. I'm about 5'6" for reference, and they're kind of cropped on me. They're super comfortable. They're not restrictive or anything like that, and they look really good, as a set, but you can also break these pieces up if you wanted to do that as well. And not only can you wear this look lounging around the house, but I also love outfits that you can wear outside if you need to. So you can throw in some sneakers, maybe a mule, and maybe like a long like robe style wrap coat. That would be super cute. Oh my gosh, very chic, and you look super put together, but like easy, and I love that. So you can find all these looks on my Poshmark closet, and I will have the link in the description box. Just click that little arrow to the bottom right and you'll have access to the description box, and I'll have the link there for you guys. But of course, if you have any questions, leave it in the comments. Huge thanks to Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. And before I let you guys go, it's time for today's Instagram shout out. And today I am shouting out Shay_MCK78, and she commented under one of my last reels and she wrote, "Wealthy godmother is the whole vibe. You are exuding with that look. Not rich auntie at all. Love it. You have been my inspiration all summer with the looks. I have recreated several outfits. Thanks. Keep giving great content." Oh my gosh, I love that comment so much. You heard it here first, you guys. We're giving wealthy godmother. That's the move. We're giving wealthy godmother. That's what we're on, fall and winter. Those are the vibes. Thank you guys so much. And thank you, Shay_MCK78. I really appreciate it so much. You guys are so funny in the comments. You guys kill me. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you guys' comments on Instagram as well as here on YouTube. And we've just been having a lot of fun lately. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and be sure to click that little arrow to the bottom and have access to the description box, and you guys can shop my Poshmark closet and get your Poshmark closet started as well. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you in the next one.